Whether you are nearsighted, farsighted, or have 20/20 vision, there's one thing a lot of us struggle to read: the fine print.
Not because we can't, but most of us just don't want to. And as Mike and the KSL investigators found out, if we're not careful, it could be costly.
Love it or hate it. These are the words we live by. Call it terms and conditions, terms of service, privacy policy, or user agreement. It's all that long-winded legalese we have to agree to before firing up all kinds of apps and devices in today's world. But here's the thing. Does anyone give these things anything more than just a quick glance over? Well, to find out, we set up shop at Daybreak's Ochre Lake Park during the popular food truck night. And we had no trouble finding people willing to go on camera. All they had to do
just write your name somewhere
was agree to our terms and conditions.
That's it?
Each one quickly, scrolling past all that legal jargon to accept, but
okay. That was easy.
Hey, hang on a second here. What exactly did they just agree to?
I think to being on TV and for you to air my footage.
Put me on TV and you could show me and...
Do you know what you agreed to?
No.
Do you care?
No.
Don't care? Well, you may want to think again.
The owner and station also invoke the right to publicly post your name.
That wouldn't be good.
Whoa, you signed it.
I guess I'm legally obligated now.
Current street address, your real age, your birth date.
No, I'm not good with all that.
Your social security number, your bank account number.
Some of the terms are a little more life-altering.
You hereby agree to name your firstborn child. Either Nadine, Dave, or Mike.
If your firstborn child has already been born and is under age 18, you agree to hereby legally name your firstborn child Ashley.
What?
Sorry, Ashley.
Your names are all being changed, kids. Sorry.
They also agreed to some stuff that was downright absurd.
You agreed to deliver enough donuts to feed the station's combined newsroom on National Donut Day.
Thank you. I love donuts.
You agree to sing or hum the theme song.
Dun, dun, dun. It's not a show, but it's the network.
Where everybody knows your name.
Dun, 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 dun. I'll do it with you. Da, 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 da. There you go.
Sure, we all love a good TV theme song, but the point here is serious. If we do not read the legal terms, we do not know what we're agreeing to.
I mean, it's interesting that you guys do this because it really makes you think, right? Like, it really makes you think that, like, maybe we should start reading that.
Do you think you'll do it differently now?
Yeah, I'll probably read a little bit better. I won't say that I'll be, like, completely thorough, but you know.
They're long. They're legally complicated.
University of Utah law professor Leslie Francis admits it. She, too, does not read through every term and condition, but that doesn't mean we should not.
There could be a term or condition that's economically damaging to you.
Francis says agreements often mean arbitration, so if there's a dispute, you cannot file a claim or join a class action suit. But agreements also spell out how you give up personal info.
You might be worried about who has access to your data or how your data are used.
Get this, Google says it reads your emails to tailor products and advertising for you. Amazon says it tracks you on other websites. Facebook says you give it permission to use your name, info, and your profile pic in ads shown to other users. And Apple says its devices can share your real-time location. These are all terms tucked away in legalese we often blow past to start using our app or gadget. And saying, nobody reads this stuff will get you nowhere with a company or a court of law.
You made a deal. We're really, we're sorry it's a bad deal, but, hard on you.
So if we want to use that app or that website or that gadget, we have to dance to their tune, which, by the way, is also our terms of conditions.
Oh, man,
It's
all
fun
right.
to sing it, though.
YMCA.
But if you still have not been persuaded to read all those legal terms scattered across dozens of pages,
Maybe.
A solid maybe.
But just like an app, probably not.
Francis has one suggestion. Pull up that agreement on your web browser and try using the search tool. If you're concerned about what happens to your information, search for data. Worried about your photos or videos? Search for content. Concerned about your rights in court? Search for arbitration, and so on. Because if you let the legalese catch you by surprise, you might wind up taking care of my chores.
I'm washing your car.
I can't wait. I'm so glad you took the 10 seconds it took to read through that and sign it.
I mean, I'm cool with the Macarena, for example.
Let's do it.
Or dancing on the 10 o'clock news.
Hey, Macarena.
Mike Hedrick, the KSL investigators.
Well done.
Well done, yes, for sure. We should point out that a court can find an agreement not enforceable if it includes unreasonable or unethical terms, like posting social security numbers online or having to name your kids after news anchors. We are, however, holding out hope for the donuts.